inside a bustling cellular environment where enzymes, products, and reactants interact in the intricate dance of glycolysis converge in a captivating saga of transformation and renewal. Through a series of meticulously orchestrated reactions, glucose, the prima material of this metabolic opera, undergoes a mesmerizing metamorphosis, propelled by the catalytic prowess of enzymes and the sacrificial bands of ATP and NAD+.
Welcome, esteemed molecules, to the grand spectacles of glycolysis. The cellular environment is indeed amazing for transformation and renewal journey. Join us as we unravel the intricate narrative of glycolysis, where molecules become protagonists in an epic tale of production and cellular vitality. I am Glucose, the star of the show. And here I am ready to embark to the transformative journey of glycolysis. But wait, where do I start the process?
Hello Glucose, I'm Examinase. I will initiate this metabolic opera. The first stage you need to go is the energy investment step.
Oh my god, I feel nervous.
Don't worry Glucose, I am sure that my sister will help you. Phosphate, sister, where are you?
We're here! You didn't notice us because we already transformed from ATP.
Now, we have one molecule of ATP. With the swift stroke of my catalytic prowess, I shall phosphorylate you into a beautiful product.
Hi, I am glucose 6-phosphate, your first act protagonist together with ADP. I am primed and ready for further metamorphosis.
There you are, glucose 6-phosphate. I am your friend, phosphoglycoisomerase. Come on, join me in the next step of glycolysis.
Wow, how wonderful to be the product of glucose 6-phosphate and phosphoglycoisomerase. But where's the others? Hello? Yoo-hoo!
Welcome, I am phosphofructokinase, who's binding the ATP signal, the beginning of the third act. ATP, the energy currency of cellular realm. With my sacrificial band, I propel this reaction forward by yielding the fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-biphosphate.
Thank you for that, phosphofructokinase. Now I feel my existence. But I want to go far as other products did.
Hey, fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, I heard you want to undergo the fourth step of glycolysis.
Oh, Aldolase, please help me.
This dual-headed glycolysis, I command you to cleave into two illustrious siblings. Abracadabra!
Whoa, hi! I'm dihydroxyacetone phosphate. I shall swiftly undergo isomerization, transforming into my sibling glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, twinning the harmony of our metabolic melody.
And I am glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, charged with potential energy. Shall embark on the penultimate leg of our odyssey, driving toward the creation of ATP and NAD.
Sister, since you are lies directly on my pathway, I will leave you then, because I will convert into a glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate molecule like you.
Yes, you can go, sister. Where I am going then?
Hey dear, are you missing?
Help me. I am glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. I want a transformation, but I don't know how.
Then you are the one I'm looking for. I am triphosphate isomerase with enzyme to the next stage. In the next step, we will undergo a Zargonic reaction. Are you familiar with that?
Of course, it is when I oxidize, and 2NAD plus is reduced to 2NADH and H plus.
Ta-da! Thanks to you, now I existed. I am your product, 1,3-bisphosphate, bisphosphoglycerate. But where's my enzyme?
Don't worry, friend. Phosphoglycerol kinase was here.
Hello, phosphoglycerokinase. I will donate 2 molecules of ADP.
Oh wow, that's great. Then we can make 2 molecules of ATP.
Come on, let's do it.
Let's go.
Hi! How great to be the product of the 7th step.
It's great to be the enzyme too. I'm phosphoglyceromatase. Come on, let's transform you into your isomer, the 2-phosphoglycerate.
What a great transformation is that. I hope I can experience that too. But first, I need to find my enzyme. Annalise, where are you?
2-phosphoglycerate, I'm here. It's good that we met. I am responsible for catalyzing the 9th step. Do you have a water?
Yes, I have.
That's good. Then we need to lose your 2 molecules of water via dehydration reaction. Come on.
Good day, phosphoryl pyruvate. I am here for your conversion for the grand finale of this process.
What will I do then, Mr. Pyruvate Kinase?
We will input 2 ADP to produce 2 ATP, then that's it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Yay! I think I already reached the final process. Here I am, the product of glycolysis, ready to fuel the cell's energy needs. But I need to pray beforehand because the process is lengthy and I am not completely oxidized. There is still some energy to be extracted. How might this happen? Also, what should the cell do with all that NADH? Is there energy extra? Whatever, the important is the process is complete.